What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I'm starting inside the garage where the door is closed because Michael's on his way here and he has something to show me, and he was like, y'all just stay inside, I'll tell you when to come outside and all that crap. So we're gonna see what happens with that, but I'm also gonna show you guys some parts that I picked up for the truck. You guys who watched the other Thursday's buggy video will know about it. So a lot of you guys know I've been working on a LED conversion for the truck on the rear end of things. I've got LED reverse lights and LED license plate lights, but I haven't had the brake lights to go along with it. And I was in AutoZone the other day just walking around, and my mom's probably gonna hate me for making this joke, but she goes into Hobby Lobby sometimes and just buys a bunch of stuff that she knows she doesn't necessarily need, but she likes it. I do the same thing in AutoZone. So I was walking around and I was like, you know, I've been wanting to do this for a while. It's not too expensive. It's like 40 bucks at most. Let's do it. So I picked up some LED bulbs and some load resistors. Now the reason that I have the load resistors is, for those who don't know, the Gen 1 Sport Trac uses its brake light bulb as its turn signal bulb. The problem with this is, for LED bulbs, on a car that doesn't come with LEDs, this goes for any car, whether it uses the brake light as a turn signal or not, the incandescent bulb draws more power from the car than an LED would. And the LED is going to make the car think, or the truck in my case, think, oh, this bulb's bad, I need to flash faster to tell him, which is known as hyper flashing. And these load resistors are going to correct that issue and trick the truck, in my case, to think, oh yeah, it's making enough power and it just works as a resistor to, you know, make the lights work properly. So the box comes with two. Thankfully, I thought about if I was going to need to buy two boxes of them, but thankfully the truck, no, those come with two. So it's going to be interesting, but Michael's going to help me out with this one. He's a wiring master. Almost, I mean, my dad's pretty good at wiring, but Michael probably gives him a good run for his money. So I'm gonna let him get here. I'm gonna pop the doors open, see what's going on with the car, because he was working on something with the Charger today, and I can only imagine what he could have done with it. So we'll have to see what happens when he gets here. Hopefully he won't be too far out, and then we're gonna get to installing all that stuff, and we're gonna have a fun day. And you know, it's gonna be a good night at the meet, stuff like that. So just wait on him to get here. We're gonna have a good video. Welcome to the video.
Hello.
We're knocking out these bolts. So another thing you can use, like, seriously, what? I'm lost here. He should be my film guy. I don't know why he's doing this.
I don't know. It just happened. All right, just happened.
We found that. What is that? Like a 530 seconds, 516, 516. It works as an 8 mil. So we've got this side taken off.
You've already done that for the tail lights.
Yeah, I have. But just to refresh anyone who is new to this, 5/30 seconds will work. 5/16, whatever that was, will work. So get these three bolty boys out. You get these two nasty grommets out. Where's the third one at?
Wherever you put it. You took that one, no?
Huh?
You took the third one, no?
The top one?
Yeah.
Huh. Where did I put that?
Is it underneath this?
Probably. Yep, there it is. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and slide this housing out, and we're going to undo that bolt. We're going to see how it does with that and see how bad the hyper flash is. And if not, we'll probably just tear into it and just send it with the receiver thing, equalizer. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we have our LED on the left here, and then our incandescent on the right. They're both pretty darn bright, but I think the LEDs will look. I think the LEDs look better.
LEDs look better anyway because they're instant light instead of that one.
See how it kind of fades in and all that. So we're gonna test the blinkers here real quick. I'm gonna have Michael.
Oh yeah, they're gonna freak out. You want me to do it?
Yeah. Here. You know how to do it, I think. Hopefully.
Oh, show them that.
Oh yeah, and Michael did this diffuser on the car. Homemade. It actually doesn't look that bad.
Yeah, it does. Don't worry.
Yeah, it is.
Jinkies.
So yeah, we're definitely gonna need to put those resistors in. This is gonna be a hassle. But how fast is it on here? This is actually kind of funny. So yeah, we're gonna pop these off. We're gonna go ahead and hook up the other LED, and then we'll probably just go ahead and knock out the resistors. So yeah, we'll catch you guys when that's done. Okay, so we decided we're just gonna have my dad help out with those distributors. Michael's afraid of my decrepit wiring.
that's like old as balls.
Ancient.
Ancient, friggin' from the Jurassic Age. But I think all in all, it looks really cool. And the advantages with these, it's funny because they're brighter on camera than they are like in person for some reason.
You'll never have to replace them again.
Yeah, these jugs last longer than I do.
Probably.
Like, lifetime.
In bed.
Oh. I don't know. Never had that experience before.
Neither have I.
Lonely boy probs. But next, I just got to do with that little turd up there. I'm probably gonna, like I said.
Take it off?
Nope. But so I'm looking into a few options, and I want to know what you guys think. Should I just go ahead and shell out the $100 for the Recon one, or should I get the $50 Amazon one that I think looks pretty darn good, or should I just get an OEM unit, put LEDs in all three, and then tint it? Probably the cheapest option. When you think?
Huh?
To just buy an OEM one and tint it? Or you think I should just send it and get the nice one? I'll show you a couple ones I've been looking at. They're both really cool. But so that's done. I'm gonna have a bit of hyperflash for a minute, which is fine. Up, they're not on.
Taurus had a problem.
The Taurus had some freaking nasty hyperflash, even with load resistors. The car literally just panicked every time it freaking did it.
Yeah, I don't understand why. But
The Taurus just did not like LEDs for some reason.
and then I put the LED strips on it, and it was fine after that. So I was like,
Except until one of them burnt out.
that was the running light.
Oh, the running light, yeah.
Turn signal still worked. So.
That was annoying, because I remember we'd be in front of you, we'd look behind you, and only one of them be on, and I'd call you, like, you know one of your lights is on, right? And you got there, like, smack it or something to turn on. That was hilarious.
Yeah, I don't know what his deal was.
You haven't done that giveaway on those light strips yet.
I did, but no one was there for it, so.
So,
Thanks, guys.
yep. They just had to ruin our video there. But anyway, I think we're just going to goof off out here for a minute, get ready to wash the cars here in a couple hours. And, yeah. Diffuser. Look at it. Michael's blocking it because he doesn't want anyone to see it. We're going to look at it anyway. It's good stuff.
Sure.
So, if you have any good recommendations for third brake lights, let me know on Instagram. Message me on Instagram and tell me, because I don't like that junk, especially the black this truck has on it now. So, yeah. All right, see you guys later. All right, guys, so it's a little bit later on. We're washing the cars up for the meet tonight. I'm trying out this wheel cleaner just to see how well it goes. This is that Black Magic I bought. We're going to try cleaning these tires up, too. Michael just hit him with some tire shine. He's hiding behind his boat. He's in the captain's quarters. But they look really good, so we're going to try it on these, because these junks are nasty. But this should be done setting in here in a moment. I'm going to rinse these off and see how that goes. And yeah, so. Hello. So, I'm going to do that, and then get ready for food, because my mom's on her way back from the doctor's. So let's do it. Hello.
Hello.
We're now at the meet. We still showed up a bit early. We've been here for, what, an hour now almost?
Probably.
About close to an hour. But we're early as basically always. But see how this goes. Michael racking up over here with the hood up action right here.
Yeah, and you need to too.
I'm not putting my hood up.
Because you're a veg.
The last time I put my hood up, I got flamed, so.
Well, that's because you had boosted Mafia on your truck.
Oh. No, I didn't even have the banner then.
Yeah, you did.
My very first time here,
You don't
I
know.
put the banner up.
You don't know.
Or not banner, but the hood up.
You don't
Because
You don't.
I remember because I had those crappy, like,
PCM
faded out.
incoming.
Huh?
New PCM incoming.
Did you buy it? Did you
No.
buy it?
No. Definitely not. Not yet.
See, how's
Not
the
yet, but I
diffuser-
will. I'm going to get the Trinity T2.
How is the diffuser holding up?
Oh, God. I didn't even look at it. It's probably missing a fin.
Nope. All four is on here. So, I don't remember if I mentioned this earlier. Michael actually made that.
Sadly. I'm going to buy one, though.
You just gonna send it and get the normal one? Is
I don't
the
know.
one you can buy bigger? Like the fins bigger, or are they about the same?
It's about the same. It's copied.
You did a really good job of like spacing though. Like it's very even.
Thanks, man. I tried. Tried as hard as I could.
You're like that's exactly 2 inches.
Look at that trunk, too.
Hey.
Oh. Yeah. Park next to the truck. What are you doing? Man, what is that? This smells so good. Is there cologne? Is there cologne in there? That car smells good, I think it's that car.
ZL1 is alright.
Not this. What is that?
So, R32 just pulled in, and Haynes gonna be upset that he didn't get to see this. So there's a collapsed sun behind it. My gosh, it looks way worse on video than it does in person. Here it is. Got the FRS on the other side. Oh gosh.
Oh, God.
That truck will run him over. I bet that truck probably can't even see him.
Their rear right brake light's not shining when it should be.
All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. That wraps it up for the night. We had a lot of fun at the meet. It was a really good showing. And Michael was making me deflate over here. We're just going to go ahead and play some COD and just enjoy ourselves a little bit. And just, I'm over here getting ready to, I don't know why I've got this. Oh, yeah, that's right. I'm charging this thing because it had 1% battery. But we're about to go play some COD and all that crap since Hayden's not here, unfortunately. And he'll be back tomorrow, though. We'll probably have another video with him coming soon. We got to once he comes back. Me and Hayden are probably going to do some talking about. We're going to do a pack opening for Pokemon cards. I've had those since my birthday, and we haven't opened them yet. And we're going to talk a bit more about some other gaming content, so that'll be coming soon as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the little LED taillights on the truck kind of deal. I thought that was really good. Looks great. Hyper flash is like crazy. But what do you think, Michael? What do you think of the LEDs? I think he's more focused on this Call of Duty going on. So, anyway, that wraps it up. Go follow Michael on Instagram, KendallStone_Dodge. Don't know how to do this with iMovie to put it like down there. I'm just gonna do whatever. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Be sure to subscribe for more. A lot more content coming very soon with the truck. I've got another idea that I've been talking to Michael about that we haven't gotten worked out yet. The main idea on. We're hopefully gonna try it out soon. It's a very cheap little mod. We're gonna give it a shot though.
What is it?
That's a secret. It's classified. Anyway, catch you guys later.